my channel or welcome to my channel if you are new. And in today's video I am going to do how to get the perfect base. This is like a new series that I am going to start. It's not necessary that all the following videos are gonna come of the same series. I'll take some break and insert some different kind of videos as well, but this is a series like how to get the perfect base, how to get the perfect eyeshadow base, or perfect brows, perfect lips, all that, perfect contour and all that. So for the first thing, I'm going to start with the perfect base. I'll show you how to transform from this to this, and keep watching the video.
So now I'm going to start off with some moisturizer. I'm using this Pond's Light Moisturizer. So this moisturizer is basically for the oily skin people, but my skin is normal to dry, but somehow it is good for my skin. It suits my skin as well, so I tend to use it a lot. And if you have an oily skin, of course this is an option for you, and it's available everywhere, and it's a very inexpensive option, so give it a try. I got to tell you something, that before moisturizing, do not forget to use your cleanser. Use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's a great one. They have one for oily as well, but that comes under skincare, so I did not show that. So after using the moisturizer, I'm using this serum. This is the Nykaa Overnight Repair Serum, but I am using it before makeup as well. And what I'm going to do is take some on my palms and then create friction, and which gets the oil heated, and then gently pat it on my face. And the glow, you guys, you can see the glow. OMG, I love this glow. So if you have an oily skin, you can just skip this part as well, but I generally do not forget to use a serum. It works great for me. So yeah, I am all greased up now.
I wanted to add a disclaimer. I also used a primer. I used this primer, Nykaa Prep Me Up, but somehow I lost the file, so I cannot show you guys. I used this primer after using the serum that I used the primer. It's just like a moisturizer. You have to take a little amount and massage in your face, and that's it. And after that, move on to the foundation. So sorry about that.
And I'm going to use my foundation now. I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 230. What I do is take some on my palms and this even it up with my fingertip, and then use some on my face. I do not take a lot of foundation, otherwise the makeup looks cakey. The best way to make your makeup not look cakey is to use less products. That is the only way. So I do not tend to use a lot of foundation. I use very little, and then use a beauty blender. I have never used a brush. I have always used a beauty blender from the beginning. Also, do not sweep it downwards on your face. Just dab it very gently, and that is how you blend your foundation very nicely. Also, do not use foundation under your eyes or on your eyelids, because otherwise it will look very cakey, because you have to use concealer, powder and all that. So just blend your foundation on your face very nicely, just like this. And after you're done blending, just use the bottom part of the blender. It will take out all the excess foundation that is there on your face. And yeah, then you're done. After using the foundation, use your concealer under your eyes and on the nose, and wherever you have your blemishes, your acne spots, just like I did. I use it on my eyelids as well, for a everyday makeup look if I'm not doing any glam look or so. So now I'm going to use some on my blemishes, like my acne spots and all that. And yeah, this is how it works. And I love this concealer. I love this Maybelline Fit Me range. It's amazing. So I'm gonna blend it as well with the same beauty blender. I think I need to wash this beauty blender. It's been quite a long since I've cleaned it. So yeah, that was totally off topic. So after I've blended, I am using my fingers to just even it up. This way I feel more satisfied with my blending. So now after I'm done with that concealer, I tend to just lighten my under eyes. So I use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and I'm in the shade 100 Ivory. So So just use it under my eyelids and little on the nose to make it a little more white, and then I'm gonna blend it as well. And you can see it looks amazing. It just hides away all the dark circles that you have. Also, if you do this, the darker concealer works as a corrector as well, so then you do not need to use a corrector. This is how I just whiten my under eyes. You can see how whitened it has gotten. So that is how I have blended my concealer. Now I'm going to move on to my Fit Me powder. I'm using the loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using a brush. I do not like to use beauty blender for the baking, and baking works for me. I look really neat and tidy after baking my face. I cannot tell for everybody. For some people baking doesn't suit them at all. Like it makes them look very untidy. I don't know, but for me baking works the best, so I tend to bake my face very nicely. And now after I've done with that, I let it sit for some time and take a bigger and puffier brush and just set my makeup, my base for the makeup. The motive is to make it last the longest. So in order to make it last long, you have to fix your makeup, you have to set it with some powder. So I'm taking a very little amount and then I'll set my makeup with it. This is how my makeup is going to last for a really long time. So now I'll just have to sit and relax and wait for my baking to be done. In the meantime, you can do your brows, you can do your eye makeup and all that. But yeah, and after that you're done. Just dust off the excess powder that is there on your face very cleanly and neatly, and you can look, the base looks so flawless. Also, skincare before doing makeup is very essential. You have to do your skincare so that your makeup looks flawless like this. I just love it. So I'll just quickly take away all the excess powder that is there on my face, and yeah, that is how my makeup is. And one last thing before completing the base makeup is using this makeup fixing spray from Faces Canada. I just use the fixer after doing my base, also sometimes after getting my makeup done. So yeah, that's how my base looks.
And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. And if you did enjoy the video, then please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. So bye guys.